Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Huntington Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in huntington.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Huntington Bank website. Now from the bank homepage, if you don't have an account already, click on the New to Online Banking button within the login portal. Underneath the login button, just click on Enroll Now and you will be taken into the sign up page. From the sign up page, you have two different options. You can choose your account number or your debit card number to continue signing up. Choose either one of these options and you will be asked to enter your account number or your debit card number. Just type in either one of these followed by your PIN and your social security number or tax ID. If you select Use your account number, you will need to enter your account number followed by your social security number or tax ID number. After entering these information, click on the Continue button and you will be asked to verify your identity. Once you verify your identity, you will be taken through the further process of filling up your credentials. Once all of your information has been added, you will be able to create a user ID and password for your account. Just create your user ID and your password and then verify your account identity using your email address or your phone number. And now you can use your newly set credentials within the username and password box to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Huntington Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.